in that box. Hi, hello, welcome to Mathsmedium. Today I came with the exercise 7.4 fractions from 6th class ncert. Question number 2. Compare the fractions and put an appropriate sign. In previous videos, I already told you about the like fractions and unlike fractions definition through the comparing like fraction and unlike fractions definitions and examples also. Check the description box for the link. Next, coming to the question 3 by 6, 5 by 6. So we have to compare these two with appropriate sign. This is also 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. This is 3 by 5 and 3 by 7. So we have to write the answers. This is 3 by 6 and this is 5 by 6. Denominators are same. So this is said to be like fractions. In like fractions we can easily tell by observing numerators. So 5 by 6 and 3 by 6. Here 5 is the greater numerator than the 3. So obviously this is the greater one. But we have to prove it with the appropriate symbols or appropriate example. Then we will get the better understanding and grip about the fraction. Take the small box with the equal lengths. Take 6 equal parts. Divide it into 6 equal parts. And if you observe this, this is 1, 2, 3. This is said to be 3 by 6. Next, similarly, so this is also 6. We have to 5 by 6 shaded portion. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 portions I shaded. So 5 by 6. Similarly here, see here, this is the bigger and this is the smaller one. So 3 by 6 is less than the 5 by 6. This is about this. Next, coming to the here, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. See here. Similarly, take another one also. We are dividing one part into 5 equal parts. Here also 5 equal parts. So, let's shade out of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 4 by 5 and this is 5 by 5. So, this is obviously greater. So, this is the symbol. 4 by 5 is less than the 5 by 5. Similarly, see here, this is like a fraction and this is also like a fraction. Then we will get the answer easily. It is unlike fraction. Then how will we get the answer? So, if we compare the numerators are same, right? But it is unlike fraction. If you make these fractions into like fractions, then we will get the better understanding and then we will get better exact answer from this. So, this numerator 5 and this numerator is 7. If you make these two or equal denominators, that means the denominators are same like fractions, then we will get compare easily. So 3 by 5 into, I am going to multiply these two denominators with the same 7 by 7. Here also 3 by 7 into 5 by 5. This is your option also. So 3 7s are 21, 5 7s are 35. This is also 5 3s are 15. And 7 5s are 35. Obviously, we can compare numerators because of the denominators are same. So, 21 by 35 is greater than the 15 by 35. So, this is the answer for this question. I hope you understand about this session. If you have any doubts, comment in the comment box. Click like button and share my videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.